Oh god, box. Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, stupid box. Yeah. Alright, well, you guys can see here, I got a lift plate, I got the mounts, I got my strange adjustable front and rear shocks and struts. I got my AJE cross member here. We are pretty much ready to go on this. Oh, also, I got the tubular front end, if you guys can't tell. But, right now, I got some new wastegates that I'm going to be trying. They do look a little bigger than what I have. Kind of, sort of. They are. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take these off and replace them. And see if that is my, whole issue with the boost. If it does, woohoo! Okay, so let's... Hello. See, look, it's the same color as that one. Look at that. Cool beans. No more blue in the engine bay. Well, shh. Hey, don't worry about that. Okay. Let's get to taking these wastegates off. Well, there's the one off. I mean, the fire rig's still doing its job. It's just... I don't know. I have no idea. Wastegates are weird. So we're going to take the downpipe off and then literally just bolt this thing right back on. Well, here. Is that the same flange? Same flange, boy. Sweet, same size. Cool story. Well, Bailey's working on getting that side out. I do have this side in and mounted. It's just a little close to it. I think what I can do is take these 3 bolts out and actually flip it, and then that way this is kind of back to normal. But we'll see how this heat wrapped does, that I still have on there. I just don't know how else to, route this. So what I might do is I don't know, just something. But Bailey's getting this one on. Here's a side-by-side comparison of what they are. Let's just hope, this is my problem. Bailey putting the finishing touches on it. I got this side done, that side done. I got pretty much, that's gonna vent to the atmosphere, of course. This one's gonna be my pressure side. And then he's doing the same thing over here, making it all pretty. And then, since you guys know, today is the 24th. Tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm doing a birthday dinner today. Pretty much after dinner, Bailey and I, we're gonna go do some really sketchy stuff, right, Bales?
I didn't sign up for that. I signed up for free food.
Nope. Free food comes with a sacrifice of sketchy stuff. So, once we're done with that, pretty much I'm just going to check everything over, make sure everything's good to go before we just go really do some really dumb stuff. I might swap the wheels because I really hate running the front runners when I'm not really at the track. That one over there is going flat, as you guys know, but we're going to do this after dinner. So, fast forward now. Oh, we got the Foxbody in its glory outside. Bailey and I got the wastegates on, mainly this guy. Mainly that guy, okay. So now, it's official. We're gonna go do some sketchy stuff, like I said, okay. I'm cross your fingers that this works. I really hope it works. And, you ready? All right, let's get the draggy. It's been charging for the last, say, 20 minutes or so. And, we'll just see. So let's go ahead and get the GoPro strapped on. So, all right. It'd be so salty if this doesn't work. You want to do the honors?
No.
So this is like attempt number 4, I think, of me trying to figure this whole issue out. And once it's fixed, it's gone. I don't want this car no more. This car's stupid. It used to be fun, and now it's a headache. So I'm pretty much gonna let the tires warm up before we do anything stupid. You guys can see the spots right here. I don't know who did this one, but they were not straight at all. All right, Bales. This is it.
You didn't pick me up. You want me to ride?
I'll come back for you and pick your ass up. Make it fast. God damn, son. All right, lining myself up here. Good? Okay. secondary recording, you can just go straight, okay? Take the airbag out, hook up the 2-step. We got time, we got time. All right, 2-step should be hooked. All right, here we go. We might have heard something. It shut off. Oh no. Yeah, we might have heard something. Oh yeah. What do you think happened? I got fuel or oil is low. Oh no. We got one good pass out of it before she blew up. Yeah, oil pressure showing 40 psi, guys. We're just gonna limp it home. I don't know. All I know is oil pressure's at 38, which is fine, but I have a high flow, you know, oil pump in this thing. Yeah, it's getting worse. What you guys think, because I have no freaking clue what exactly happens. I feel like Bailey's saying turbo blew. I'm thinking piston rings finally fucking touched or something. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Like my lawnmower. Shit. Oh God, look at that. Oh. Oh my God, it's smoking up. Look at the back. Oh my. Wow, 20 pounds of oil pressure. Oh.
Over-reliable.
Over-reliable, boys. Let's see what blew up. Oh, there's oil all over this. I bet we had a turbo let go. There's literally so much oil on that. Oh my. Yeah, that's oil. Yep. Hey, wastegates work. Whoa. Well, that's good. I'm gonna start it. Let's see. See if it starts. That does not sound healthy at all. My piston rings blew up.
Yeah, those are rings off.
Yeah. Holy.
That's rings.
That don't sound good at all.
That's rings. Oh, yeah, that's the rings on. They're gone.
Oh my God.
Lost at least 2 of them.
Ah, damn it. Ah.
That's gotta be at least 2 different rings.
Ah, dude, it came out both sides.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's gotta be.
Ah. This car literally just said go f yourself. Given, okay, all it has is a cam, okay, and valve springs. Okay.
You trying to convert me over to this shit? Oh no.
That's got 280,000 miles on it.
Overlocked,
and
not 220. I'm good.
And I've had my fair share. I'll go get another one from the junk car for $200. Man. Ah. As is. $5 grand. Come get it.
Runs and drives.
Runs, drives, kind of, sort of, blows smoke everywhere. That sucks. Bailey, go ahead and start this thing up. Start it up for me. I gotta see it with my own eyes. I don't believe it. I don't believe that this 5.3 with 280,000 miles finally let go. Okay.
Hold your breath there.
You're gonna have to give it some gas too. Okay. Don't be afraid to give it some gas. Oh God. You gotta give it gas. Yeah, there you go. Come on, give it some gas. Give it some gas. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. No. Floor it. Just floor it. Oh no. Old Foxy's not liking that. Oh God. Alright. This is my birthday. September 25th, R.I.P. Fox. That hurts so much more. I literally just got it fixed. And it let go on me, Bales. No! I mean, I do hate this car. You guys know why. Oh, that's so insulting. Now what do I do? Just sell it as is? Because now it don't start. Or just sell it as a roller. Pull the engine. No, I'm just going to sell it as it sits. It just needs a 5.3, honestly. That sucks. Man. Oh, that sucks so bad. On my birthday, Foxbody blows up. That's nuts. Now, it leaves opportunity, okay? What do you guys think I should do? Just sell it as it is, get out from under it? Or find another 5.3, take the cam out, see if it's still good, swap it in, change the valve springs, and sell it there, make some more money, okay? Or just be done with it. Are you guys done with it? I'm over it. Now, we're gonna be working on Bailey's car. I'm not gonna film that. We're just cutting the exhaust, welding some new stuff on there. So, I don't know. I'm just so over that Foxbody. But leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.